we are using many type of display cables, VGA cables, and different type of HDMI cables. There was many myths about that type of VGA cables or type of HDMI cable effects on video quality. If it is true, reality, true or myth. If you have any question related to video cable, VGA cables, or HDMI cables, or type of HDMI cables, then watch this video till end, and I will try to tell you everything about HDMI and video cables which is useful for the understanding it better.
Subscribe the Developer Vikas channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest video updates and notification about uploaded lectures, tricks, deals and other informations.
Hello friends, I am Vikas and you are watching Developer Vikas. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. Now many times to connect a monitor to with our CPU or to connecting our set-top box to our Android TV and other things which is used by video display is used for connecting by HDMI cables or VGA cables. When we going outside to purchase a HDMI cable or a display cable for our device, then a shopkeeper or your shop owner is come and said that what which type cable you want and what you want to connect. And if we say that I have big brand TV like Sony and other companies with Samsung, then he says then it is very good type of cable. It may improve your video quality and it is prices something around 4,000 or 5,000. But there was no any big difference, no any difference between 50 rupees cable to 4,000 5,000 cable in video quality. Other things can be improved, I say, but there was no any different in video quality because a 50 rupees cable is provide same video quality as compared to 5,000 or 500 rupees video cable. There was different, that is the which cable is costly, have gold plated connecting cords or the wire is more efficient and losses are come we say. But when you are using AV cable or VGA cables from old, when using old times, but nowadays there was not anything like this. So if you have any question related to about VGA cables, then please comment on this video, like this video, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.